From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. What if you could organize your closet with hangers that are both stylish and functional? Introducing the Econoco Wishbone wooden hangers. These 17-inch wishbone hangers are designed for blouses, dresses, and tops, making them a great addition to any wardrobe. With a natural wood finish, they resist wear and maintain a clean professional look, giving you a sense of sophistication every time you open your closet door. The smooth texture of the wood and the strong chrome hook provide a secure and sturdy feel, allowing you to hang your clothes with confidence. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, praising its quality and durability, making it a well-reviewed and popular choice among those looking to upgrade their closet organization. The bulk pack of 100 hangers provides great value, perfect for boutiques, department stores, or organized storage, and the fact that they are ready to use with no assembly required is a significant advantage, saving you time and effort. The sound of the hangers gliding smoothly along the rod is a testament to their high quality, and the extra storage they provide is a result of their clever design. Whether you are a fashion retailer or simply someone who appreciates a well-organized closet, the Econoco Wishbone wooden hangers are a great choice, offering a perfect combination of style, functionality, and durability, making them a valuable investment for anyone looking to elevate their wardrobe organization, so why not give them a try and experience the difference for yourself? As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.